I make over $10,000 every single month, and it all comes from installing credit card terminals like this. We install them in everything from local bars, restaurants, mechanic shops. Let me show y'all exactly how this business works. My name is Kevin. I run a credit card processing and a merchant services business. Now, listen, before you think that this sounds too complicated, it's actually probably the simplest business model that you've never heard of. So here's what I do. I walk in local businesses and offer them a new credit card processing solution. Now, once this system is set up, I then earn residual or passive income every month without doing any additional work. Here's what most business owners don't know. Every time a customer swipes their credit card, the business owner is spending about 3% in credit card processing fees or interchange fees. So let's say if a restaurant processes about $100,000 a month in revenue on their credit card machine, they're losing around $3,000 every single month just in processing fees. That's $36,000 per year that's disappearing into the pockets of these big banks and credit card processors. And most business owners don't even have any idea what they're paying and that they're bleeding out this much money. This is where I come in with a game-changing solution. The machine I offer does something different. It legally flips the 3% fee from the business owner to the customer. So instead of the business owner eating $3,000 a month in fees, the customer pays the fees when they swipe their card. This is completely legal and called cash discounting or dual pricing. For the business owner, this is a no-brainer. I'm literally saving them thousands of dollars every single month in processing and interchange fees. Now, here's where it gets really interesting and why this is such an incredible business model. When I sign a business up on one of these machines, I get paid a percentage of every transaction they process. So let's say a restaurant is processing $100,000 per month. I might earn anywhere from $500 to $1,000 every single month just from that one client. And here's the beautiful part. Once the machine is installed and running, I don't have to do anything else. As long as the business is processing payments, I keep getting paid month after month. This is true passive residual income. I have clients I've signed up 6 months, a year ago, and I'm still making passive income off of those clients today. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kevin, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually get started? If you want the exact steps I use to build a passive $10,000 per month merchant processing business, I'm giving out free one-on-one calls this week where I'll walk you through the entire process. The link is in the description below. Book your spot before they fill up because I can only take a limited number of calls. I'll show you how to find clients, which companies to partner with, how to effectively make your pitch, and how to start building your own residual income stream. This is the business that completely changed my life, and I want to show you exactly how to do it. Click the link below to book your free call, and let's start building passive income together.